Hello everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. This is the hourly time frame and we can see that the market rallied in the last 24 hours. We can see the market is near the supply trend line that we have, let's say, from the last 7 days that we developed. And I can see two possible scenarios at this point. So most likely scenario, the market to rebound further downside and eventually test this area where we have this big imbalance. So that's the most likely scenario based on the current condition, the price action. We also had this rally on this morning on the event in the UK. So market rally now it's trying to basically sell off. So for me, as long we're trading below the supply trend line and as long we don't have a clear breakout of 1.2765 or 780 and hold above, then this downside scenario is most likely. There is also a chance the market retest and then fail to go and hold above so that the market can do something like this. But those are the scenarios that I'm watching. Of course, we have this, we have the previous day low around 1.2613, which is also like a first downside objective, and then we have this second downside objective at around 1.2510. We can see the gold market is holding higher. It's holding above this pivot, so 2047 so far. So buyers are in control. And we can see the rising trend line there in the background. So for this point, if we can see the rebreak of the 2055, that will be a good sign for further higher prices towards the 2070 mark. There is also a potential scenario if this will be a fake breakout of this, let's call it a triangle pattern, and the market will return into this 2044 area. And even if the market will break down 2035 or hold below this rising trend line, there is a chance for 2016 or even 1997 to be on the test. Now, speaking of the crude oil, still market is building higher lows. We can see here a series of the higher lows, and that is so far a sign that buyers are in control. We have the high at 75.20. So if market can retake this and hold above, there is a chance for the test of 76.95. From other side, if market can break the 72.30 and hold below, there is a chance for lower prices towards the 71 mark. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we can see that market is having a hard time to break 44,500 and hold above. And actually we had some rejection this morning. Exactly from this area where we had lots of orders around, and we can see that stronger supply, so there is a chance for this to go further lower towards the 42,000 mark, and maybe even to retest lows if there is a bigger supply, retest lows around 40,500. Upside scenario only if we can retake this area for around 45,000 and hold above. That will be a good sign for test of 46 or 47,000 mark. That will be everything for this update, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a good trading day and have a good weekend. Speak to you from next week from Monday.